My lawnmower has broken and I'm using the trimmer to do my lawn. So now it's run out of the lines. So if you see here, there's nothing left, and you feel it, there's no line left in the spool. So if you look at the picture here, so this is an instruction. It's saying that two sides you need to press two sides and then lift the cap up. So actually this orange cap, and the two sides you can see here, there's the tab, and here there's the tab. They're all orange. It's one piece with a cap. So we're going to press this both sides down and try to lift it out. You see, it's getting out. So this is the cap. So we have got the cap off. And then if you look at the inside here, so you can see this is a spool. We're going to have lines in here, and you can also see there's the arrow. That means the line should be wound up this way, and I think we're going to use this slot or that slot. There's the small hole. The line will insert into that hole and then get under there, and then we can wind the lines that way. So we can try that. So here's actually the line we got from B&Q. So for this module, it's actually using diameter 1.5 trimmer line. So we're going to install this line. So here is the line, and we're going to put the line into any hole, two holes. We can put one of them. We put the hole and get the line into that slot. I'm going to use two hands to do that. So now you can see I put the line into the hole and to the bottom, and then make the line getting into that slot and then down to there. So now I put the line in this way. Now I can start to wind the line to the pole. So to wind it now, so you can take the pole out of the case, and then you can see my line to the bottom, and this line getting from that slot out inside of the pole, and now I can wind the line to the pole. So now you can see I have got the pole filled with the line according to the direction arrow, and it's wound that way. So we're going to put this into this case. Notice there's a hole with the metal insert over there. So we're going to thread the line through that hole before we put it on. So thread this first, and then the put will into the case. I'm going to do that with two hands. So now I have put the pole into there, and we have the line get through that metal insert hole, and we are ready to put the cap on. So for the cap, it's easy. So we have here, there are the two cut out over there, and we just put them on in any direction would be fine. Yeah, that's it. So the line is there. That's the cutter over there for the line. I think this long should be okay. So now we can try. So now it's working again. Thank you for watching.